Today we're making chicken bread rolls. These are so delicious. You're gonna love these with cream cheese that melts inside, which makes the inside lovely and saucy. If you like this, please do give me a thumbs up. And with that being said, let's get started. The ingredients that you will need are 50 grams of butter, 500 grams of chicken fillet pieces, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 teaspoon garlic and ginger paste, fresh green chilies and you can add that to taste, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 80 grams of sweet corn, a handful of coriander leaves, half red pepper chopped, 300 grams of soft cream cheese, bread, some eggs for dipping, and breadcrumbs. Okay, so in my preheated pot, I'm going to add butter and the onions go in as well. And we're just going to saute these onions. I'm just going to put the heat on medium setting and I'm just going to cover it. I'll check on them in a couple of minutes. Okay, the onions are done. They're nice and soft and transparent and it took about 4 minutes. And now I'm going to add the chicken. Mix that in. And then I am going to add in the ginger and garlic paste and also the green chili paste. And you can add this depending on how spicy you want them. And mix all that in. And I'm going to cover and cook till there's no water left. Let's have a look. Okay, as you can see, there's still a fair bit of water left in there. I'm just going to give that a stir and leave that to cook a bit longer. The chicken should be done now. So just have a look. Yep, that's done. Now let's go ahead and throw in the spices. Wheat corn, and the peppers as well. Give that a mix. That smells delicious. That's great, so that's all done and that smells so good already. I'm going to let that cool and then we're going to go ahead and add the final ingredients, coriander and cream cheese. And then we're ready to roll. I'll be honest, I'm trying very hard to stop eating some as it is. You can go ahead and try some at this point. It's well tasty. I've got my bread now, which I've warmed up in the microwave, so it's easy for me to roll. I've got the mixture and I've got the flour paste. I'm going to take a slice and I'm just going to give it a roll. And cut the corners. Then take my mixture, and I'm not going to take too much, just enough, because when we fry them, the filling can come out. then I'm going to stick these sides, and you don't need too much. Press these down. Okay, so we're just going to carry on with the rest of them, and I've just taken 2 here to save time. And again slice the edges. Some mixture again. Rolling again. Press the edges. That's done. Okay, so now we're ready to egg and breadcrumb them. So first, dip it in the egg. Make sure it's coated well. And then into the breadcrumbs. And we're going to do that on all of them. The oil is hot, so let's get frying. I'm going to fry these on medium to high until they're nice and golden brown. These are beginning to change colour, they look really nice now. Nearly done. Try it out and let me know what you think. Better still, tag me in a picture.
Check out both of my Ramadan cookbooks.